Good morning, welcome back to Rucking. We're getting ready to go for a walk around the neighborhood, or a ruck. It's just a walk with a weighted vest. This is only 12 pounds. I got it off of Amazon. So I typically do this about Monday through Friday, depending on the weather. Since my kids are at daycare, I have my son in the stroller. So let's get going. We have our setup, we have our water, phone, headphones, and most importantly, the baby. So we are out for our ruck, and like I said, rucking is just walking with weight on. It is one of the simplest ways that you can build your endurance, your strength, and anyone can do it. It's just walking. And then, like I said, I only have 12 pounds. It's not, a big deal. You could start out, 10 pounds if you wanted, 8 pounds. I think they have lighter than that actually, but typically, I have my ruck on. I like to do my 20 or 30 pounds, but we're going to build there, and that's up in Alaska. So when I get back, it'll be ready for me. But some of the main things that I focus on while I'm rucking, I'm not just, walking just to walk. I'm actually keeping my stomach tight. I'm keeping my posture up. And that's going to really help build the cardio and the endurance rather than just, walking. So the weight is a little cherry on top. You know what I mean? So like I said, anyone can do it. It's nice to get out and get some wonderful sun, some fresh air, and get out in my neighborhood. I've already said hello to 3 of my neighbors today. Not gonna brag. Actually, I am. Now my goal is to see how many people. So as of right now, I have 3, and we have about probably a mile left to go. So we'll see if I can get another one. Subject acquired. I'm gonna see if I can get her to say good morning. Good morning. Yes. Mission accomplished. I got 4. Let's see if we can get 5. All right, so we just got back from our about 2-mile walk around the neighborhood, which was wonderful. So basically, if you're ready to get rucking, things to think about is start small. Start with a really low weight and then work your way up. I know it's easy because I like to lift with my ego sometimes, and I'm like, oh, I can do 20 or 30 pounds right out the gate. No, you cannot. So just do a quick 15-20 minute walk. You also don't have to go 5 miles either. So if you do want to do a heavy weight, just only go, 15, maybe 20 minutes and see how your body's feeling after that. Remember to focus on your posture. Make sure you're standing up with your shoulders back, your stomach tucked in, your core engaged, and then find your pace. Just do a nice brisk walk. If it's a little bit too much and you're finding yourself getting really, really winded, then slow down a little bit. And then, of course, listen to your body. If, your shins start hurting or, your ankle is hurting, slow down. Don't go as long or don't go as heavy. So either way, but yeah, I love my morning walks. Like I said, about 5 days a week that I've been going. So this nice lightweight is really good for me. You go about 2 miles. It was about 30 minutes. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.